Now, we've seen a family divided by barbecue. Now here's one united by it, and the oldest barbecue joint in Texas continuously run by the same family. Black's Barbecue has been in operation since 1932, and one step inside lets you know this is the real deal. The dining room is packed, the walls are cluttered with family photos, and there is no shortage of dead things on the wall. The family tradition starts with Edgar Black Sr., who opened the Northside Grocery and Market, selling some barbecue on the side. That tradition was passed down to this man, Edgar Black Jr.
I came back here in 1949. I graduated from Texas A&M a year after I married this lovely lady here, and came back and was going to stay a month or two and help my dad out. And 62 years later, I'm still here, so.
Edgar and Norma raised two sons, both of whom are in the barbecue business.
Now, my son Terry, he's a CPA, and he does all of the bookwork and everything, while my son that's running the restaurant now is an attorney.
That's right, try as they may, the smoke brings them back. This is Kent Black, pit boss.
And my parents worked here 60 years and they perfected the recipe, and I just try not to screw it up. Okay?
Yeah. Then there's fourth generation Barrett Black, who shares Black's Barbecue with the world.
It's been a lot of fun to just take the same old barbecue that we've been serving for 80 years and spread it to the whole country and everything. You know, take it to the web and just bring this business into the 21st century. Anything we got here, we'll ship it to you. So.
No kidding, anything.
Yeah.
Post Oak Black's Barbecue wood chips.
That's right.
People order this stuff?
Oh yeah.
Now Kent and Barrett are filling some big barbecue shoes, as Edgar has been an innovator in Texas barbecue, being one of the first to serve brisket.
It's the perfect meat for barbecue if you cook it properly and trim it properly and everything and season it properly. Now, I'm telling a lot of our secrets, but we cook them the fat side up. If you got that fat on the top, as it cooks, it will go down through the meat and keep it moist. And it's just simple as that.
Black's was also the first place in Lockhart to serve sauce using Norma's original recipe. Well, time to taste that family tradition for myself.
Let me show you over here on the block here, and this is our jalapeno cheese. And you can see the cheese that's inside there.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good.
You like it?
And it's spicy.
Let me show you the brisket.
And this one literally is just falling apart. A business is never around for just shy of 80 years because y'all are doing something wrong. I mean, y'all are doing stuff right, obviously.
Well, we try to every day and treat our customers like they're just family members at our house.
I felt like part of the family already. And by the look of it, so did the customers.
We hit up Kreitz and we hit up Smitty's, and we ended here at Black's, and tell you, we've had our own personal unofficial barbecue challenge. And as of now, I think Black's is the big winner. On top, absolutely.
So some of America's finest had their opinion. Time to have my own. All right, it's time to go through the line. You grab your plate, self-serve sides. And here at Black's, they make a ton of really delicious sides. And then, of course, the pecan pie. I've earned this today, right? It's been a long day. I would like a quarter pound of brisket, a jalapeno cheese ring, and beef rib. 4 up, and it's about to be 4 down. 1 rib is 1.5 pounds. Oh, look at this. Texas-sized baby back ribs. Gotta say, I feel like a straight-up Viking eating it. Another glass of mead, winch. It is dripping with flavor. Only the strong survive. And I'm up for the challenge. Here we go, boys. Whew. Finish strong, finish strong, finish strong. Not bad. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.